Hey everyone, we are from Polytechnic Oma. Today myself Varshini Jagarajan and my group members Nagasubhashini Sambasevan and Jivitra Nagalingam are here to present our case study 2 of subject cyberpreneurship. Question of our case study is choose any fashion-based brand that uses the internet as its primary marketing channel. Based on topics related to social media mix and cyber social tools, conduct a study to answer the following questions. We choose Shane fashion-based brand to conduct our case study too. Shane is an international B2C fast fashion e-commerce platform. The company mainly focuses on women's wear, but it also offers men's apparel, children's clothes, accessories, shoes, bags, and other fashion items. Shane mainly targets Europe, America, Australia, and the Middle East along with other consumer markets. The brand was founded in October 2008 and since then it has upheld the philosophy that everyone can enjoy the beauty of fashion. Its business covers more than 220 countries and regions around the world. The first question given in the case study 2 is identify e-commerce tools for social sites that use by that brand. So the answer is first, Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a social media management system that gives users an integrated user interface from which to manage their social interactions. Hootsuite supports Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, and more. These are the interfaces of Facebook, Instagram, of Shane, and for Twitter and YouTube, and for Pinterest and TikTok. And finally, this is the official Shane application. Second is BigSpy. BigSpy is an ad spy tool. BigSpy can capture ads from multiple social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and etc. It can spy ad information in 40 countries and store 160 million ad data. It is the world's largest ad database. BigSpy tracks and analyzes Shane ads data to help Shane find the best conversion, ad creatives, and ad copy. BigSpy makes the advertising world transparent, helps more businesses to increase sales conversions through SPy. Now BigSpy generates an ad report for Shane. In this report, we analyze in detail the best ad cases of Shane. First is ad format case study. The ad format used by Shane top three ads are carousel, carousel, and carousel. Ad format analytics and optimization suggestions. The Facebook algorithm indicates that Facebook will show more video ads to users, so to get more ad reach, consider video ads. Shane likes to use carousel ads as material. In fact, Facebook's creatives determine the user's first sense. Shane performed A or B testing on different creatives and used different creatives according to different audience types. In addition, you can also use BigSpy to spy the industry's latest ads and competitors' ads. BigSpy provides the material download function to help you solve your creative troubles. Third, BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo is cloud-based platform that helps you discover the best engagement content and outreach opportunities across social and search. Shane discover new trending stories all while monitoring what's most important to your brand. The first screen on the left is your main shopping screen. From here you can toggle between 15 to 20 options like bestsellers and top rated. There are literally 100 ways to search through clothing on this application, so I won't even try to touch on them all. But here are a couple of screenshots so you can see how complex the app's first run experience is. Next is Cloud. Cloud is a mobile and website application that measures users' online influence, which is the ability to drive action. In other words, Cloud measures your ability to influence other people to do stuff pretty impressive. There are also many Malaysian companies to be partnership with Shane. for the marketing. For example, iPrice Group Sendirian Berhad is a privately owned online shopping aggregator based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The company is an online aggregator that simplifies a consumer's shopping experience by allowing them to browse for products and compare prices from various online stores. iPrice partnership with Shane by creating a perfect website setup to offer shoppers with wider selection by including Shane products and brands made available on one shopping website. iPrice also ensures that online purchases are made in a safe environment. With a click of a button, the average shopper can now search for products, compare prices, and save with great deals all in one safe shopping site. Next, my group member Naga Subhashni will continue on.
B. Discuss how they use marketing tool for social media. A short background regarding Chain Fashion, founded by entrepreneur Zhu Yangtian in Nanjing around 2008 as Shinsite.com with a focus on selling inexpensive wedding dresses. The company pivoted to border retail in 2015, and since then it was been on a path to internet viral via global social media. As a direct-to-consumer DTC retailer of attire, domestic products, pet supplies, and around everything else, Shane has multiplied its deals for 8 successive a long time. Its most recent financing circular estimated the company at more than $15 billion, agreeing to a most recent post, drawing closer to the likes of H&M, $23.1 billion, and overwhelming Zara, $14.7 billion. There are not many generations on social media who aren't familiar with Chinese fast fashion brand known as Shein. In TikTok alone, Shein has gained 6.2 billion views and appears in more than 70 other trending hashtags. While over on Instagram, Shein's 10 verified account representing some of the 220 plus countries and regions it ships to boost a total of nearly 30 million followers. The brand overwhelmingly depends on social media promoting, welcoming fans around the world to connect its partner program, through which up and coming influencer can get commission for advancing the brand with the post of their outfits. As a result, Shane's Instagram page incorporates pictures from paid organization with mega influencer like TikToker, Edition Ray, nearby reposts from lesser known makers with other tallies within the 2,000 to 50,000 extent. This is a sample picture. Shane works with mega influencers such as Addison Ray along with thousands of brand fans. Photo is from Instagram at Addison Ray. Influencer promoting and advertising firm Mediacom says that Shane's social media procedure accomplish mass in mindfulness through its influencer partner program. They have an extremely strong two-pronged approach of associations and collaboration with macro influencers, whereas at the same time running a gigantic micro influencer always on program. The high volume of influencer partnership is reflected in the brand's frequent and consistent posting across each of its Instagram account, which generally feature 5 to 8 new posts per day. And by using country-specific account on Instagram, Shane is able to finesse its local influencer strategies and create more relevant connection with consumers in each of those markets. Turnout emphasized how well Shane understands the type of content that resonate most with Generation Z consumers, such as competitions, house, reels, TikTok, and live DJ sets. There is a community of Shane fans who actively want to participate and be associated with their brand, which is evident from the 734K plus hashtag users of Shane on Instagram. Shane hosts Instagram live shows every Wednesday and recently celebrated its fourth anniversary with an Instagram live event hosted by Renier Ariel, 70.5K followers, and Fiona Zaring, 2,707 followers, during which viewers had the opportunity to win gift cards and redeemable points while watching clothing reviews. And last year, the brand enlisted listers Katy Perry, Lil Nas X, Rita Ora, Harry Bieber, and Yara Zahidi to appear in its Shane Together live streamed fundraiser concert to support the World Health Organization's COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund. This is a picture from YouTube shows that unsponsored videos top the YouTube charts for Shane. While Shane has a strong digital strategy and it is investigating in online video, the brand's defining strength is its social media presence based on user generated content. As the epitome of a customer centric brand, the label is perhaps best known for appearing in millions of review videos of clothing house across TikTok and YouTube. Of the 10 most watched Shein try on videos on YouTube, only 2 were sponsored by the brand. Shein's offer a notoriously huge number of extremely inexpensive products, adding as many as 500 new items for sale each day, which encourage shoppers to seek out hidden gems and share their discoveries with others. According to upcoming teen generation clothing house represent the most successful format for fashion brands within influencer marketing simply because consumers want to see clothes on real people. As we are starting to see them within TikTok and Reels videos instead of having to watch a full 15 to 20 minutes YouTube video, brands and influencers can demonstrate more looks within a shorter time period and ultimately reach more potential customers. Based on Shane prospective look, if these videos continue to captivate Generation Z, the next decade might see young consumers become increasingly aware of the environmental concerns of excessive fast fashion. But until their shopping and viewing habits are driven by Greenex consigns, Shein's social media strategy will continue to top the competition. Shein is an international B2C fast fashion e-commerce platform. It uses a lot of online marketing tools and strategies such as pop-ups and sales stickers. Shein's incredible marketing strategies for the festive season sales. First is coupon pops. When you open Shein's homepage, a coupon pops up immediately. The pop-up presents 2 discount coupons. On clicking on of them, a signing up page opens up. Second is countdown timer. Shein actively promotes activities. It uses countdown timers to create urgency and engage shoppers. It uses 2 countdown timers on the home page, one to promote free shipping and the other to inform about a sale. Also, a sticky bar is placed to the right on selecting it. Pop-up presenting additional discounts opens up. Further, this pop-up is used for subscription. Third is sales stickers. Shane uses multiple stickers to engage shoppers and capture their attention. Shane creatively highlights these stickers star, rate, hot, and etc. to upsell products. Question C. Discuss how they create and design marketing cover content. Example like poster, banner, and etc. First is poster and banners. Shein is an international B2C fast fashion brand. The company focuses on both men and women's wear. Clothes for children, accessories, bags, shoes, and other kinds of apparel are also available on Shein. Chris Zhu is the founder and the CEO of Shein. Shein started its journey in October 2008. If you notice, Shein's poster and banners advertising in an effective and economical way to promote a design or a service. Promotional banners signs are the best option when it comes to releasing a new design or a service or carrying out a short time sales campaign. Not only that, Shane also includes codes and prices. This will really attract the customers to check out the items. Moreover, to release rich quality posters and banners, Shane reserve a particular amount for the photography to attract customers. Shane seeks to provide visually stunning images and detailed description so that you know exactly what you are getting when you shop with them. Shane have detailed photo shoots to ensure capture of the product at its best light. The designer will take time to review all the post production images in order to find the ones that best represent his or her product. Second is True View for Action Ads. Shane created True View for Action ads that encouraged viewers to shop on its website. The brand tapped into advanced audience solutions such as in market affinity and custom intent across both its display and online video campaigns. After running the experiment for 2.5 weeks, Shane compared the campaign performance in the control and test group to see whether online video encouraged more shoppers to make a purchase. Running display and online video campaigns simultaneously can boost both sale and brand interest by serving display ads and True View for Action ads. At the same time, Shane drove 5% incremental sales at approximately 50% lower cost per acquisition CPA than its target. The brand also saw more than 50x organic searches with online videos in its media mix. An example of one of Shane's energetic video spot that grabbed shoppers' attention are below. This is that advertisement. Now, my group member Jivitra Nagalingam will continue on.
The next question is D. Discuss how they use social media as a networking tool. Nowadays, in this 21st century, people do not discover time to come and connect with each other. Social media bridges the three weeks and makes a difference in interfacing themselves with social organization destination through which presenter individual can remain distant and however stay associated. Not as it were these social media interfaces individual, but moreover, but two has expensive promoting openings, and here it is where social media promotings come into play. The fashion industry is one of the businesses where visit changes happen, and the social media is the far most helpful and the cheapest means to communicate with the target customer. Within the to begin with phase of the study, it is examined to analyze the responded around their mindfuls within the social media marketing and how design brands and online design locals utilize stages like Facebook and Instagram to advance their products and the purchase intention of the shoppers and how are they affected to this social media promoting within the movement stage. We would examine the exploratory information on how social media impact publishing of the online design industry and the components that impact the online design industry and the reason why individuals are presently days more logged in online shopping. So let's discuss and see how Shein used marketing tools for social media. The first networking tool used by Shein is Instagram. An online retailer of women's clothing, Shein has repeatedly expanded to serve customers around the globe. The e-commerce platform specializes in a fashion that is economically and attractive to young women. The main goal of Shein wanted to use Instagram marketing capabilities, testing the impact of ads in Instagram. Stories to help them understand how to craft a stronger campaign strategy. These are the example posts that post by the Shein official on their Instagram page. Next, other than that, Shein also ran a split test with two videos ad campaigns, one using Facebook and Instagram feed, and the other using ads in Instagram stories in addition to feed placements. The brand ran a video ad aiming to motivate customers and lead to sales. To charm to the brand's desired demographic, the video include happy music and bright colors as well as trendy pop-up tags, emojis, and geotags. By using Instagram social media as a marketing tool, helped Shein result with 20% increase in return on ad spend, 90% increase in purchases, and 8% lower average cost per purchase. Next, Shein app, fashion online shopping. Shein, a women's clothing brand based in China, has taken the digital fashion world by storm. For the past several years, its app has ranked as a top performing fast fashion app in the market, and its region is unlikely to be cut short. Based on the recent study carried on Shein app, weekly result on find that the app is experienced record-breaking activity, achieving new lifetime highs for single-day downloads and daily active users. By conclusion, from the study, Shein topped all the previous records, generating approximately 649K downloads that day. The app also logged about 22 million DAU for the first time just in short period of time. It seems is 1 to 2 days. In addition, when it comes to the App Store optimization, Shein takes an offense approach. According to our search intelligence data, 587 of 632 keyword Shein advertisers for the ones the app is not currently ranking in top 24. When a publisher is unfair to advertise for words it doesn't own, it can cover a lot of territory. Not to mention, Shein set a voice for major terms like clothes, women clothing, and women's fashion is greater than 80%. Like many savvy publishers, Shein also advertised from its competitors' names so that it will show up in results even when consumers have another brand in mind. This is example picture that is screenshot from the Shein Fashion online shopping. The third one is TikTok. Shein is the #1 brand of TikTok teens. Shopping is driven by a constant stream of coupons and discount codes. TikTok users appreciate the large selection of sizes and exclusivity. For example, Shein is available in sizes XL to 4XL. On TikTok, Shein has created armies of fashion bloggers supporting the brand and making posts with hashtag Shein influencer get free merchandise every month for their post on TikTok. Others earn commission on sales directly to Shein.com above the average affiliated rates. Next, YouTube. Shein has created the environment for shoppers to feel smart and savvy to find the perfect outfit and style. The sheer range of items sold through the store and the fact that not everything is always in stock create an almost graphic experience. Customers are filming videos of how they found inexpensive goods. They are happy to unpack their clothes and try it on. Sometimes these products may not be the right size or look cheaper than they are on the internet, but this risk add to the fun. And the next one is Pinterest. One of the greatest benefit of Shein using Pinterest for your businesses is the ability to drive a massive amount of new traffic to their website. Shein Pinterest page were included unique and individual boards about Shein blog posts, features, and FAQ questions to help the customers know and learn more about them and emphasize them to learn more by heading to their official website. Pinterest also helps Shein to expand their reach. As mentioned, Pinterest brings in over 100 million monthly active users. That's a huge customer visit to expand their content reach too. As with any social media platform, building a customer takes time and the quality of your followers will always outweigh the quantity. The picture shown is screenshotted from the Pinterest of Shein website. The last one is social media influencer marketing. Shein influencer promoting approach that demonstrated to be successful, permitting it to the reach a target showcase and minimalism, whereas moreover ingrains a new and more current tone into its claim material. Shein has collaborated with an assortment of high-profile influencers and counting models such as Wenjie Noel, a famous content creator and influencer, and also works with a mega influencers such as Edison Ray, along with thousands of brand fans. Having influencer helps Shein to have built relationship, trust, and credibility with more people out there. People respect their content and recommendation. Shein also participated in activities during the COVID-19 period and Black Lives Matter. In May, Shein has a 4-hour online event for COVID-19 relief called Shein Together that features artists are Katy Perry and Rita Ora. This is one of the Instagram influencer, Belgian Newell, a famous content creator and influencer and social media influencer for Shein. The next question is discuss how they create copywriting content for sharing through social media with sample. Shein copyright content explain briefly that legal right of the Shein owner of the intellectual product. In simple terms, this means that the original owner creators of product and anyone that has been given authorization by the owner are the only one with the exclusive right to reproduce the work. Shein is especially exact with they are copyright substance. They have clearly expressed and clarified explicitly what can be done and cannot be done using their product tag. Example of Shein copyright content is all content included in or made available through the Shein website, application or services such as text, graphics, logos, button icons, images, audio clips, digital downloads, digital compilation, and software is the property of Shein and protected by the international copyright laws. The Shein website has been translated for your convenience using translation software powered by the Google Translate. Reasonable efforts have been made to provide an accurate translation. However, no automated translation is perfect, nor it is intended to replace human translator. Translation are provided as a service to user of the Shein website and are provided as is. No warranty of any kind, either express or implied, is made as accuracy, reliability, and correctness of any transaction made from the source language into any other language. Some content, such as images, videos, flash, and etc., may not be accurately translated due to the limitation of the translation software. The official text is the source language version of the website. Any discrepancy or differences stated in the translation are not binding to have no legal effect on compliances and enforcement purpose. If any question arises related to the accuracy of the information contained in the translated website, refer to the source language version of the website, which is the official version. Furthermore, Shein makes trademark announcement under their copyright content that Shein is also the owner of Shein trademark registered in many countries. Shein trademarks and trade dress may not be used in connection with any product or service that is not Shein's. In any manner that is likely to cause confusion among customers or in any manner that disparage of the credits hashtag Shein. All the caption and contents in the Shein Instagram post are absolutely based on their item and design plan and made based on their subject and their post. Other fashion-based products cannot duplicate or take after their post content. Each post and substance within the post is owned by the Shein official as it were. The two images are the example of the caption and content copyrighted from the Shein Instagram post. Summary. In summary, Shein has utilized the Simple Store as their ancillary e-commerce tool. Through that, they have showcased their item on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and their website. From this, they made their trend incredibly within the showcase by offering their items through Instagram, Facebook, website and WhatsApp, and more. Usage of variety of tools lead to great utilization to creativity and innovation. As a conclusion, Shein got to be a successful and well-known seller within the showcase. Thank you. That's all from us.